Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Kansas City, Missouri has always balanced grit with reinvention, and nowhere is that clearer than in its historic commercial corridors. As you move through downtown, the glass towers and renovated warehouses tell one story. Then a name like Petticoat Lane appears, and suddenly the city feels older, layered, and a little more personal. Petticoat Lane traces back to the 19th century, when Kansas City was expanding rapidly as a rail and river hub. The name became associated with a stretch of downtown where dry goods stores, clothing merchants, and small retailers clustered tightly together. At a time when fabric, tailoring, and ready-made garments shaped daily life, this corridor became a magnet for shoppers. The nickname reflected that concentration. Petticoats were not symbolic here, they were inventory. By the late 1800s and early 1900s, Petticoat Lane was a commercial artery. Department stores and specialty shops lined the blocks. Streetcars carried customers in from surrounding neighborhoods. The sidewalks were active, practical, and transactional. This was not entertainment-driven retail. It was necessity and aspiration meeting in one place. As Kansas City matured, retail patterns shifted. Larger department stores consolidated power. Suburban expansion in the mid-20th century pulled shoppers away from downtown corridors. Petticoat Lane, like many historic retail streets across America, felt that transition. Storefronts changed hands. Some closed, others adapted. Yet the name endured, and that endurance matters. It signals how deeply commerce shaped the city's identity. Kansas City did not grow only from the stockyards and rail yards. It grew from small businesses, family-owned shops, and storefront entrepreneurs. Petticoat Lane represents that merchant backbone. Today, walking past the area, you can still sense that density. Even where original businesses no longer operate, the scale of the buildings hint at compact street-level trade. Windows sit close to the sidewalk. Entrances are narrow and direct. The architecture was designed for foot traffic and visibility. Downtown revitalization has brought renewed attention to historic corridors like this one. Adaptive reuse projects have transformed older structures into lofts, offices, restaurants, and boutiques. While the merchandise has changed, the principle of mixed-use street life has returned. The blocks feel active again, though the economy driving them looks different. Petticoat Lane also sits within a broader narrative of Kansas City commerce. The city once branded itself through wholesale districts, garment manufacturing, and distributed networks tied to rail access. Retail streets were the public face of that system. They connected production to consumer experience. What makes this section compelling is not nostalgia alone. It is the visible layers of eras. Brick facades from the 19th century stand beside 20th century modifications and modern signage. You can read economic cycles in the materials. Kansas City often gets defined by its sports teams or its barbecue, but its commercial history is just as foundational. Streets like Petticoat Lane carried daily life. They were where wages were spent, trends were tested, and local identity was expressed through fashion and goods. As the city continues to redevelop, the survival of names like Petticoat Lane anchors it to original stories. They remind you that before arenas and high-rises, there were narrow storefronts and fabric counters. That memory gives depth to the present skyline. Kansas City remains a city of movement and trade. Rail lines once carried goods outwards. Shoppers once flowed inwards along Petticoat Lane. The forms change, but the underlying energy persists. In this corridor, history is not abstract. It is built into the street itself.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.